What's up, guys? Today's a new video, and it's a cooking video. We're doing chicken. Alright, I only gotta cut these in half. I'm gonna cut this up into a couple different pieces. So today we are using coconut oil. You know, we're changing it up a little bit. Use some. We're just gonna displace some of the chicken. Alright, so right now, they're cooking nice. Garlic powder. This is where we're at. Alright, so I cleaned off the pan. We're gonna do this one a little different. We have oil, butter, and garlic. Alright, now we're about to add the chicken. So now we're gonna add the rice into the chicken. Alright, now we're gonna put a little bit of the soy sauce. The final result, I add some of the sauce. Alright, here's the final product. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.